Hello. Now I invite you to explore with me in this fresh way the ultimate reality. And for that I love the Chinese term Dao, because Dao in its own character is composed of head or beginning and going or path. So we can translate it as primordial path. And if it is truly primordial, original, then nothing bounds it, and it is infinite in its nature. So we can also call it the path of infinity, the infinite path. And that's the path of true reality. And there is very profound insight when we truly contemplate infinity. Then whatever we put on it, whatever we can describe in any way, any phenomena that we can perceive compared to true infinity shrinks to one point, almost shrinks to zero, because infinity is infinite measure. And yes, all the creation compared to that, in context to that, is like a single point. So I invite you to feel this reality, this simplicity, this degree of peace that we can find in this awareness, that everything is so simple, so unified, so integral. And that's the true reality behind all the surfaces that we are experiencing through our filters, through our bodies, through our minds. It is all an illusion for exploration, for expression, celebration of that reality. But true absolute reality stays as this blissful simplicity eternally. And of course, in relationship with that which is absolute and with that which is relative, we can also see the profound connection that yes, everything is connected, everything that we can perceive from moment to moment is always connected to that path, to that infinite path that connects everything, that unifies everything, that naturally harmonizes everything. So everything moves in accord with everything. Even if we cannot fully comprehend that, we can understand, we can comprehend that principle, and that is enough. for us to relax into this universal harmony, this flow of the Tao. And the more we surrender to it, the more we trust it and see everything in that light, that everything without exception belongs to that universal harmony, then our senses will evolve and we will be able to perceive it, understand it, and enjoy it more and more throughout our life. So yeah, I invite you to really look through all the surfaces, look into infinity, look at the infinite depths of the sky, of the night sky, in between all the stars. Look at those depths. And really get into that sense of infinity and unity within that infinity. So yeah, even though we cannot comprehend those depths because they are infinite, unless we completely dissolve our all filters, our body, our mind. So yeah, that is also a possibility. Sometimes it happens spontaneously, sometimes it happens through intense spiritual practice, sometimes it happens by smoking Bufo alvarius and so on. Then all the differentiations dissolve and you are that reality. But you are those depths. But again, if you completely merge with those depths, then there are no more experience. There are no more reference point. However, that point is always there. That point of everythingness and all reference points is always resting in this eternal point of consciousness and creation within the Absolute. And yes, and you can always know that even though your relative experience is in many ways limited, nevertheless you are still that same Tao, your expression of this universal harmony principle. And so you can walk with that dignity, with that confidence, and yes, and act in harmony with that. So, Thank you very much for receiving. Enjoy it. Give me feedback if you want. I will appreciate it. And see you in the flow. Bye.